Hi everyone! Today we are making Muah Chee in 5 minutes using a microwave. Muah Chee is like peanut mochi, soft, sticky, and chewy glutinous rice balls coated in crushed peanuts and sugar. In Teochew, Muah means full and Chee means money. It was traditionally served during festive occasions, with the sticky texture representing money sticking to you. These are the ingredients: any neutral oil, ground peanut powder, glutinous rice flour, table salt, and granulated sugar. For equipment, we need a microwave, weighing scale, scissors, measuring cup and spoons, and a glass or ceramic bowl and plate that is microwave safe. To a microwave safe bowl, add 80 grams of glutinous rice flour. The recommended brand is Erawan. Add 4 teaspoons granulated sugar, then add 1/4 teaspoon table salt, then 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Add half cup of water and mix the ingredients well. Some of the flour may stick to the bottom of the bowl or clump together, so make sure to mix it up well until no more clumps remain. To a large plate, add 70 grams of ground peanut powder. This one already has sugar in it. If you are using crushed peanuts with no added sugar, just add 1 tablespoon granulated sugar to 70 grams of crushed peanuts and mix well. Set aside. Cover the bowl we prepared just now with the microwave safe plate. Place in the microwave and microwave on high for 1 minute. When 1 minute is up, carefully take out the bowl. Give the contents a good mix. Initially, it might be a bit watery, but keep mixing and folding it, and a soft dough starts to form. Place the bowl with the plate covering it back into the microwave. Microwave at high for 2 minutes. When 2 minutes is up, carefully take out the bowl again. The dough has become a bit yellowish, which means it's cooked. Fold it until a sticky dough forms. Then place the dough on the peanut mixture. Coat coat the outside of the dough with the peanut mixture first, so it is less sticky and easier to handle. Use scissors to cut up the dough into small pieces and coat them with the peanut mixture. The shape of dough doesn't matter, so just roughly cut into bite-sized pieces. Toss the dough pieces so they are all coated with the peanut mixture, and it's ready to eat. It's best eaten warm. I hope you enjoyed the Muah Chee. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode.